May it please your lordship, my lord, sincerely paying for an accommodation in item 18, my lord. Can it be taken up some other day, my lord?
Why?
Due to some difficulty, I could not prepare it last night, my lord. Can it be taken up some other?
Because these are long detention matter.
Yes, my lord, I understand, my lord, but I have to do justice with my case also.
We will see. Okay. We'll accommodate.
Man.
We'll have a look.
Man.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, my lord.
Item number 3.
3.
Yes.
Kindly adjourn the matter for a week.
Okay, you are Mr.
I'm UU Khan on behalf of A. Ahmed.
J.
UU Khan on behalf of HRA Chaudhary.
Don't take the name of Mr. H.R. Chaudhary. He is a candidate now, I think. Who is that? Here. A. Ahmed.
Yeah.
This is IA.
I is also there. my
Who is for the respondent number 2? Perhaps POXO matter.
J. Hussain FA has
Ah,
Apply.
Please, your lordship. It's for listing of a criminal FP, your lordship. Listing of a criminal FP, your lordship.
admission.
One, yes,
New.
no, your lordship. One hearing, your lordship. One hearing matter, and another 2 criminal appeal. Is one
Make
for
an
others.
application for including it in the hearing list.
Yes, your lordship.
Make an application for including it in the hearing list.
Your lordship, it will be included in the hearing list, your lordship. It has been included in the hearing list. your
Then
lordship.
thereafter, from the hearing list, it is included in the daily list. So these 3 matters which are fixed for hearing today, these are also included in the hearing list. So it will come
I
from the
copy.
hearing list.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay.
And it will be on the basis of period of detention.
Your lordship,
The
one more
longer the period of detention, the early
hearing.
will be the inclusion in the daily list. No
Your lordship-
priority.
Your lordship, one more criminal appeal for others, your lordship.
Okay, next week.
Next week. Big deal.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2.
2.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know to wait for your turn.
No, your lordship, actually, the legal aid council is
Only
not
after
taking-
1, it will be 2. Of course, have been received. Heard Mr. N.K. Borwa, learned amicus curiae for the appeal, and Ms. S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1. In view of the office notes dated 28/3/2024 and dated 9/4/2024, await for the service, reports of service. No, wait for the report as regards service of notice of the respondent number 2. As the records of the learned trial court have been received, the office to prepare the paper book, the office to take necessary steps for preparation of the paper book.
Here also, Dr. One R. Sharma was appointed as a
Uh,
jury. His name may be-
Will direct to list this appeal, reflecting the name of Mr.
R.
Rakesh Sharma.
Yes.
Then we'll take it forward
Mm.
thereafter. Third,
302.
MS SH Oral and additional public. This court on 28/2/2020 has appointed Sri Rakesh Sharma as the amicus to represent the cause of that. Here I found that the name of Sri Rakesh Sharma and amicus is not reflected in the appellant side of the cause. List the appeal after which reflecting the name of the Rakesh Sharma Kamalan amicus brief in the cause list.
In the meantime, Lordship may call for it.
LCR is called for. Office to receipt shall send a reminder in the meantime, for the records of the planet trial.
So my name
Okay.
is not shown, but registry
302.
Lordship,
Where the name is reflected,
yes, Lord. LCR may be called for it.
the learned amicus is found absent today on call. However, MS S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor for the number 1 state of Assam. In view of the office note dated 10/4/2024, the registry to send a reminder for the record of the learned trial. Information. Here it begins.
The IA
One
is
number
for
one.
condonation of delay. And
This is appeal against acquittal or what?
appeal against acquitted.
Where is
it-
Mr. S. Day? Miss S. Day.
Yes. Perhaps he is the.
Huh?
Yes.
S. Day. Okay. And then otherwise, if he is found abstain again,
Lordship,
heard Mr. Oloskar,
Oloskar.
learned counsel for the applicant, and MS S.H. Bora, learned additional public prosecutor for the opposite party number 1, state of Assam. Or 10. Opposite party number 10.
State is 10.
yes.
The learned counsel for the opposite party number 1 to 9,
129.
whose name is reflected in the cause list, is found absent today on call. To submit the case be listed, for in view of absence of the learned counsel for the opposite party number 1 to 9, let the case be listed. Let the case, for instance, of justice be listed again on
20.
Monday.
22nd.
For further consideration.
May it please the Lordship, my lord, IA has been filed for delay of 9 days. Lordship, I beg apology. Steps could not be taken due to
Not
difficulty.
taken.
Yes, Lordship. We'll take by tomorrow.
Okay. Third, MST Shom learned counsel for the applicant and MS SH. Offense is under what?
Wait a second.
Counsel is
Yes,
present or not? That is
the
to be
second.
assured.
The second.
This is 13 years.
Lordship.
Detention is 13 years.
I think this is a case where this matter can be remanded back. The confessional statement, it was not exhibited, madam. The accused.
After 13 years, Mr. Hassan.
Approved.
Yes, Mr. Samar, ready.
My lord, can it be taken up some other day, my lord?
We'll see. We'll go through it.
My lord.
And we'll accommodate. But we have to go through it.
Short matter, daughter is raped by her own
We'll go
mother.
through it. Then thereafter we'll accommodate you. But let us also go through it because these are also staring at our faces. These matters,
Understand?
it is not only to accommodate Mr. Chamua, we have to accommodate ourselves also. 13 years, 8 years, 11 years under detention. So we have to sit and merit. We'll accommodate you.
Lordship may kindly take up on some other day, Lordship. I was out of session, and today only I received reached Guwahati. I need some time to go through, Lord.
See, these matters are listed at the
Lordship.
instruction of the Honorable Chief Justice.
After a week, Lordship may kindly fix a date, Lordship. If I read it a long time ago, Lordship.
Huh?
During the vacation, I was not there, Lordship. That is the
Yes, MS Mia.
There are 4 eyewitnesses, 3 eyewitnesses, my lord. Extrajudicial confession. Judicial confession is there, but it was not exhibited. my
Not a-
Accused killed his own Burma.
on 25, Lordship, Thursday.
not possible. Thursday, Friday, not possible.
Then, Lordship, May 2nd.
Nice days. number. 11
On the previous date also, you were not there. The day prior to that also,
Tuesday.
last 2 occasions also, prayer for adjournment was made on your behalf. Prior to Mr. Hassan Learned Counsel, amicus curiae for that. And MSB, Mia Learned Counsel. An additional public for the respondent tickets. So, Mr. Hassan Learned amicus curiae has submitted that he could not prepare you to argue the appeal today due to reasons beyond his control. Due to some emergency, and has paid for listing of the appeal after a week. Fair enough. The
24.
prayer made by Mr. and Hassan is accept considering the period of detention of the appellant, list the case on 1st of May.
1st of May. Both the cases,
We are passing
17 and
order.
19.
We are passing order on 17.
On behalf of the registrar
Hmm.
general, an affidavit has been filed for vacating of the stay order. Yesterday we had,
IA.
before the, yes, just
IA.
IA.
Okay.
So I'm just requesting your lordship that 2 weeks time may be granted to us so that we can give a reply. I requested my learned friend also, subject to your lordship convenience. Today the matter has come up for vacating of the stay order. They filed on 10th, I think, on the
Right.
last day they have
Yeah.
filed. Somewhere on 10th.
Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Mohan.
My lord. But it, some date may be fixed.
Heard Mr. Gita, my senior counsel. This by Mr. A. Mohammed, learned counsel for the opposite party. Yes. Read the opposite party number 1 there
Yes.
and Mr. P.J. Mohan. Oh, and Mr. P.J. Mohan. Thakur, learned counsel for the learned senior standing
Oh,
counsel, DHC, for the applicant. Yes.
Applicant record. One more.
Applicant
Notice written in it.
One
and
more
Mr. Didas. Learned senior counsel for the opposite party number
1 and 2.
1 and 2. That's it.
point.
Mr. Das has submitted that a copy of the application has been received by the opposite party. Writ petition on
10th they have filed.
10th of April 2024 and has wait for 2 weeks time
2 weeks.
to file an objection
Object.
to the interlocutory application filed for vacation, modification, and or alteration of the order dated 26 of as the affair is supposed on and it's in your sense of the case. Raise the house. Raise the case on agreed date
Any? What? May somewhere.
10th of May.
10th of, yes. 10th of
10th of May. And so the interim order passed that will continue till
Briefly apply.
May I please, Lord? But with the consent of the appellant matter, I beg to mention item number 11. Yeah, I'm on behalf of Mr. H.P. Kala. He's out of station. Asking his court.
11.
11 years.
11.
After 2 weeks.
After
After 2 weeks.
Mr.
A. Boro matter. On behalf
A.
of
Boro, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. I. Hassan,
H.P. Gwala.
H.P. Guela,
Gwala.
for the respondent number 2
2. Yes.
has paid for listing of the case after 2 weeks. Mr. I. Hassan or Mr.
No, no, my lord.
Applicant was there, but he left
Okay.
the court.
You have taken consent.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Boro has submitted that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the appellant to make the pay. And MS as Jahan, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent state to make the pay. The prayer is allowed, leaves the case after 2 weeks. On a date to be fixed.
My lord, I beg to mention for listing of one criminal petition, my lord, which I filed today. My lord, my lord, I have seen the roster, my lord. I have seen the roster, my lord, as
Ah.
per roster.
Yes.
My lord, I filed it today, my lord. My lord, I pray for a listing tomorrow because the main case is fixed on 22, my lord. My lord, I have filed a petition for joint trial of a 2 case, my lord, before the learned session judge, my lord, Bhujai, my lord. That petition was rejected, my lord, and against which I have preferred this petition, my lord. So, my lord,
Tomorrow will be difficult, Mr.
my lord,
Be fair to the court also, 22nd Monday.
my lord. All right.
Yeah, please, Lord.
Yes,
Lord, item 8, my lord.
eight,
Criminal
yes.
appeal, my lord. There is an IA, my lord, for bail, my lord. Lord, this matter, my lord, after 2 weeks now.
Mr. S.A. Ahmed.
Yeah.
Learned counsel for the applicant has sought listing of the case after 2 weeks. M.S. Syed Jahan, learned edition copy for the respondent state has no objection to state. So list the case after 2 weeks.
Apply.
Maybe, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the petitioner had applied for selection to the post of grade 4 in the district administration, district and session judge of
Grade
Silchar.
4.
Grade 4.
Where is the advertisement?
Advertisement is at page 28.
Okay.
Lordship, the first here applications are invited from citizens of India as defined under Article 5 and 6 for filling up the following grade 4 posts in the establishment in the district and session judge Kachar Silchar. Lordship, grade 4 posts, total number of posts 11. Reservation breakup is given. 4 for unreserved. 3 for OBC and none. And below that column, there's horizontal reservation in respect of PWD and women candidates will be provided as per government rules. Lordship has got it. Lordship, pausing here, the Lordship takes the relevant law, the Assam reservation, Assam Women Reservation. Assam Women Reservation of Vacancy in Services and Post Rules 2005.
Okay, 30%.
30%.
Horizon.
30% is compartmentalized. That means it is compartmentalized. That means out of 4 unreserved, 30% would be 1 seat for a woman. That is my case. Now, what you may come to the selection list, which is at page 34. Here, 1 is Rajesh Keshra, STP, it's under general. 2 is Imadul Haq Majumdar, general. Birul Borak, general. OBC and Liton Dev, general. All the 4 posts have been filled up by male candidates. We filed an RTI to that effect whether the reservation policy was followed. The answer is given at page 36. Lordship has got it. 36. The question was, selection committee has selected 11 candidates for the post of 11 numbers of grade 4 peon as per your advertisement such and such. Kindly provide the name of the selected candidate under consideration for women reservation quota. The answer given, in this recruitment process, though none of the candidates have been selected under reserve for women category, however, there are 7 numbers of grade 4 posts lying vacant. So they have said that they have not adhered to the advertisement. This is my case.
Before that, tell me, what is your academic qualification?
I'm HSLC passed.
Hmm?
HSLC passed.
HSL. Where have you stated?
Here, paragraph 2, I've said that I am eligible. So,
That will not make.
Lordship, I have.
There will be breach also if, suppose, let us read this advertisement again. The box.
Candidates who have
eligibility
passed
criteria.
past 12 or above cannot be appointed. There also, Lordship, yesterday I've got an information. One of the candidates has passed 12.
There is a cause of action for you
Yesterday
to,
evening,
to challenge his appointment. But please disclose. Because you said you were appointed
Hmm?
under a private firm in digitization of the court records. I hardly believe HSLC candidate will be involved in digitization of court record.
Lordship, that is a computer
Please
course.
disclose your
I can-
academic qualification on an affidavit.
Lordship, I
Will you
can.
be able to do it?
Yes, Lord. I have the copy. In fact, if Lordship is pleased to.
No, that will not do.
No.
Everybody has
No, the standard,
HSLC certificate.
the standard form that I have.
Everybody here has HSLC certificate. Not disclosing the academic qualification here. Please make a statement that you do not have the HSSLC.
I'm not plus 12. I have not.
Make a statement. Make a statement. Because otherwise you were allowed to participate. Right?
Yes.
And you were given marks.
Yes, Lord.
Is it not?
Yes.
Your statement.
I was allowed to participate.
But at the last moment, you were stalled, right? If you can make out a case that yes, I am on the merit as women reservation, I can make out a case. For that purpose, you make a statement on affidavit that you do not have qualification more than HSSLC. Make a statement on affidavit. Right? Because your statement at paragraph 2, the petitioner was initially working in the office of the Chief Judicial Magistrate Silchar under a private firm engaged in digitization of the court record. A metric pass candidate involved in the digitization of court records, it is
I'll make a
out of the
statement.
norm.
It was
See, if you are HSSLC qualified, then your deletion from a list of selected candidates may be proper.
on account of qualification.
Yes. Then we will not have to go through the rigmarole of a read proceeding for a prolonged period. Am I clear?
Lordship.
Make a statement on oath that you are not HSSLC pass. That will clear the issue. We may not have to proceed to the next stage.
Okay, Lordship.
But you have not said so. How old are you? How old are you?
I am 41.
41.
I'll be overage also. That I have stated.
Okay. Let us cross the first barrier.
Lordship, Monday I'll.
Okay. Mr. RJ Das learn it. Because why I'm saying so, there are lots of repetitions on this count is pending before this court,
Lordship, Monday I'll give an additional affidavit to the
which are getting ripe for final hearing. Right? RJ Das learned counsel for the petitioner. Any state counsel?
No state.
Mr. Z. Bosho, learned standing counsel, DHE, for the point number 3, 4, and 5. Full stop. The petitioner in this petition is assailing a selection process initiated pursuant to an advertisement dated 10/8/2022. Post of by the advertisement dated 10/8/2022, applications were invited for filling up 11 number of vacancies in grade 4 in the establishment of the respondent number 4. Full stop. As per the eligibility criteria prescribed therein, the candidates must have passed class 8 or read up to class 8, 12 Roman. Full stop. The advertisement further prescribed that candidates who had passed class 12 or above shall be ineligible to apply. Full stop. As the writ petition does not contain anything as regards the eligibility criteria, the petition, Mr. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that an affidavit to that effect will be filed on or before Monday.
Monday,
On or before Monday.
matter may be listed on
Tuesday,
Wednesday or Tuesday.
Wednesday, list the yes on Wednesday.
Oblige that.
In these two matters, I need some accommodation, some time, my lord. I have already finalized the affidavit. One has come late to me. Lasit Deka, my lord, I have already prepared. I'll be
Okay.
giving it for waiting within 2 days.
You are the counsel for both the
Yes, your lord.
repetition. Mr.
S. Diffusa, Your Lordship.
S.
Diffusa.
Dipusa,
Yes, Your Lord.
Learned Counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. H. K. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, GHT for the GH. Also, Mr. Das, Learned Standing Counsel, GHT has sought for further
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file counter affidavits in both the repeat.
In both the
The prayer so made, by Mr. Das is allowed. Please take it 2 weeks. And it will be fine.
deeply.
Okay, number 4, the case diary was called on the last occasion. Today it is not here. I mean, this is for quashing of the ACP, the anti-corruption case. Yes.
Quashing of anti-corruption case.
Yes,
On what
where
ground?
3 crores were embezzled by an executive engineer.
On what ground?
Your Lordship may kindly see the FIR, Your Lordship, at page 36. This FIR was lodged on 17/1/2022 after my retirement, Your Lordship, for which I am not even getting pension or due to the pendency of this case, Your Lordship. Kindly see the FIR, Your Lordship, whether the content they are ingredient for any offense under section 403 and 409.
Whether he paragraph second paragraph.
Yes, Your Lord.
Whether you had issued banker check.
Your Lordship.
No, I'm just
Yes.
asking you my specific question, please.
Yes,
Please.
Some check were issued.
Whether you had issued banker's check.
Question is that, Your Lordship, from Annexure 12, 13, 40, 50.
No, please.
I have issued some check.
No. Be patient to hear my query. Whether you had issued banker's check.
It reveals from the record I have issued some check. But whether it is a
Whether
bank-
you had issued banker check.
banker check. Some check were issued. Your
No,
Lordship.
I am,
Yes.
Mr.
I know your lordship.
Whether you had issued banker check.
That instruction I can obtain your
Huh?
lordship. But if
See,
from the record,
there is a difference between
check and
banker check and check.
Yes, your lordship.
Allegation in the FIR
Yes.
is that you had issued banker check.
Check.
Right?
Yes.
While holding the post of in charge executive engineer.
Yes.
Right? To
Yes.
various persons.
Yes.
Without any construction or other works.
Yes.
Now, banker's check is local demand draft.
Yes.
Right? It is as liquid as money.
Draft.
Right?
Demand draft. As good as
And
demand draft.
banker's check, issuance of banker's check and issuance of check are different.
Right.
Issuance of check without any money in the government account will result in dishonor of the checks.
There is a bank-
But issuance of banker check
Yes.
will result in
Drawal of money.
drawal of money
Yes.
going out of the
Thank
state
Exactly.
exchequer.
Exactly. your lordship.
Right.
Right. Right.
So that is what the court is asking you.
Yes. It-
If it is banker check,
No.
no,
Your
no
lordship
will- what?
Your lordship may kindly see there was a departmental proceeding. Showcase has been issued, Annexure 2, page 18.
For quashing, we have to see the contents of the FIR
Yes.
first.
Parallelly, there was a departmental proceeding.
Please answer my question.
No, there was no banker check. Check had been issued. Some check. Your lordship may kindly see the showcase
Okay, let
notice.
us have the case diary since
Yes.
case diary is
Yes.
called for. If it is turned out to be banker check,
Yeah.
then money is gone out of the
Money
Yes.
is gone.
state
No.
without any contract
Construction.
work.
Yes, yes.
Then it is not a case of cost.
It
If
revealed
it
from
is
the,
check
Hmm.
from
and
the
that has not resulted into any
Drawal of money. and-
misutilization or drawal of money, that may
Then-
be a different case.
Then
Yes.
it's a
from the
Mr.
parallel proceeding, your
Mazumdar.
lordship.
R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, and MS S. Jahan, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent. Oh, you are enjoying interim order?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Jahan?
No.
Learned additional public prosecutor. Submitted that.
they want to- It's not reflected. in the-
Huh? Okay. Somebody
I think there,
observe interim order if any shall continue.
Acha.
no, I think there is no
It-
interim
It's
order.
not written in my file too.
Ah,
Notices were issued on.
Case diary
Correct.
of ACB. Police station case number 3/2022 has not been received till date. Has sought listing of the case are on,
Next week, any date,
not next week.
13th of May, then
This 6th of May.
6th of May, lordship.
your lordship, I have not interpreted your lordship while listening. Can an alternative prayer can be made, your lordship, for expeditious disposal of the case, your lordship?
Which one?
The criminal case,
For
your
that
lordship.
direction we cannot pass.
Because due to the pendency of this case, I am not getting pension, your lordship. I retired in 2021, your lordship. I am ready to face trial, your lordship.
No, that investigation should be completed within a period of 3 months. Such kind of direction we cannot pass.
Otherwise, that due
That
to
is barred, that kind of direction. We can only observe that it is expected.
matter relates to 13, FIR file on 22, I returned on 21. I am suffering from, and due to the pendency, I am not getting pension, your lordship.
6th of May, later. For production of the
Positively
case
on.
diary. List the case accordingly.
Problem. Right, your lordship.
Lordship will kindly pay your Lordship's order dated 11/3/2024.
No, in this matter, my lord, I sent the affidavit for vetting. There were some corrections. It was returned back. Again, corrections are done, my lord. And, my lord, it has been sent for signature of the district judge, my lord. I'm yet to get it, the signed copy of the affidavit. Otherwise, everything is complete, my lord.
Only thing is that on the basis of two anonymous letter.
Oh, anonymous complaint.
Yes, anonymous complaint, law is settled, my lord. I am made to face.
That
this
aspect
procedure.
regarding anonymous complaint, I have clarified in my affidavit that there was a preliminary inquiry held and witnesses were examined. Basing on that preliminary inquiry report, this charge sheet has been issued. It was not on the basis of anonymous complaint, my lord.
Okay. So what is the expected time?
My lord, within 10 days, I'll get it. I believe, my lord, maybe due to the Bihu vacation and all.
So no final order. That is, there is an
There is
interim
an
order.
interim order,
Question
yes,
is there.
not to pass any final order.
But my lord, I am working as a LDA, senior most LDA, and I'm due for promotion because the pendency of this departmental proceeding, Lordship knows, my lord, my case will not be considered. So some urgency.
It will be seal cover perhaps.
It will be put in seal cover. But why, my lord, I should go through the ordeal if it is based on anonymous complaint, my
My lord,
Okay, let us
promotion will come when this.
let us have both sides of
Yes,
the
yes,
story.
of course. I'll
J. Patwari, counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. H. K. Das, standing counsel. ZHE for the respondent number 2 and 3. So, Mr. Das, standing counsel ZHE has submitted that has sought for further 10 days time on the premise that the affidavit, weighted affidavit, has already been sent.
Yes, my lord. I'm
For
yet
signing.
to receive the vetted affidavit, my lord. Final affidavit, signed copy of the affidavit, I'm yet to get, my lord. That is.
Okay. The affidavit has been sent for vetting and is expected to receive within 10 days. In view of the ground cited by Mr. Das, the prayer is allowed. Is the case happening? It may the interim order passed earlier shall continue.
deeply.
Deeply.
Till the next letter.
Much of.
Yes, that Mr. Gal, some master circular, some was
Actually, we're discussing, Lordship, I've also have some prepared a synopsis, Lordship.
that I have found. I think you have filed. On that.
We also filed.
And
We filed.
one, Mr. Das, you have placed one judgment of a coordinated bench perhaps.
Yes.
That is also not.
Not found. This is
Can you give the number?
yes.
Because that,
I
that
can get-
judgment was on
You
the
can
circular.
you can give a copy.
You give the number. I can get out a copy.
WPC 2565 of 2022. Sanjeev Das versus Union of India and 4 others.
I think there is some reference of master.
Yes. Master circular on show cause notice adjudication and recovery dated 10/3/2017.
Yes,
You know,
Only
remember on
subject
the
to show
previous day,
cause.
I asked for that one, just to have a look.
now that I can provide.
Just to have a look.
Yes.
Nothing further is to be submitted.
Lordship,
But-
in the meantime, on 10th of April, a full bench of Supreme Court with regard to alternate remedy passed an order, paragraph 29 to 33.
I should also get a copy.
Yes, sir.
No, copy 9. Well,
What is the citation?
Lordship, it's just published in legal doc, not in other channels.
No, what is the name?
Name is PHR Invent Educational Society versus UCO Bank and others. This judgment passed by.
Just show it to him.
nowadays,
Lordship,
when you rely a judgment I think you should pass over the other side.
Yes.
It is a loose copy. Okay.
To
Loose copy. Find it out. होगा.
On 10th of April,
এইটো
judgment
মাৰি
was
পেলাই
passed.
মোক এটা দিবচোন copy. Oh, I have not seen the judgment.
No,
I have to go
not
to their
also seen the
judgment.
judgment.
I don't know what is there inside. Master,
See,
Danny.
in our High Court, probably this rule has to be supplying copy to either council. It's not maintained by all the council.
Right.
Today I was
No, I was right.
outside the council from Delhi cited 10 judgment, but no copy was supplied. When I cited some judgment, replicable copy is not been supplied. So it is applicable.
No, today morning also,
Yes.
extensive argument was
Today morning, Lordship,
was made by referring to 8-9 judgments of the Supreme Court without providing the name, only the citation. Because I am very poor in remembering the year and so and so. I remember the name. Say Priyanka International. I remember.
Nowadays, Lordship, in live law, next day all judgments come.
If I say it is Bhajanlal, I remember. I do not remember the citation of 1994 supplementary so and so, page 35. I do not remember normally. If you
But
say
no-
Bhajanlal, I can understand.
But normally Delhi lawyer, I have seen, but they normally exchange. Maybe exceptional, my learned friend is saying, but they normally, whichever I have done, here also I have done some cases in front of a lordship with Delhi lawyers. They normally exchange, but there are few lawyers who doesn't exchange. But that system of exchanging should be there. If you
Should be
give a
there.
list of- We used to give your lordship, remember, we used to give list of books earlier because we
Yes.
don't have that system.
Today
I
morning also, about 10 judgments were cited. 2022, 8 SCC, page 130. How can I know?
Name,
There no name.
and nowadays we
In
are
the list
supplying-
of books, no name. There should be the
That's the-
citation and the
that's
name
not
of the
proper.
party.
Normally, your lordship, remember, we used to put court number.
Yes.
Court number
Yes,
first.
yes, yes.
Then the name of the party. Then 1,
List
2,
of
3, 4 list of books.
Then there are also paragraph also.
Paragraph.
Yes,
Civil.
paragraph.
Bracket paragraphs.
Yes,
sir.
yes. This one. A to master circular. I think somebody provided
I just have mentioned somewhere. Master circular. I mentioned master circular.
that one. I asked. Then you submitted also. Then I'll provide.
Actually, I forgot what I'm sorry.
Just send it over to Mr. Cal. That master circular.
You can come. Yes,
Because there was some submission from Mr. Das regarding invocation of the proviso to section 73.
Yes, Lord.
And I asked that please provide this circular because this circular has clarified something regarding.
Clarification we got earlier notification.
So just to have the master circular, that's all.
I'll provide. May I take copy?
This is only one remaining.
I'm taking photo.
Yes, it is difficult to hear matter in the second half after writing from the
Yes, that
division bench. That is also a difficulty. That's what we do.
I helped me with this.
We are providing you a copy.
Which copy, my lord?
Mr. Cal's judgment.
That I got it, my lord. My learned friend, I've seen paragraph 29, 30 and 31.
You are relying upon
29 to 33.
That's right.
29 to
33.
But this says, with great respect, I think this particular was pointed out by your lordship. This particular point in paragraph 29. Kindly see paragraph 29, my lord. Kindly see paragraph 29. During the deliberation, argument, I think that's how also your lordship has hinted out. It could be, your lordship got it? Para 29.
I am having this SCC online. They have different
Yeah.
paragraphs. During
Para, it start from it.
Para 30.
It could thus clearly.
It could say, same, same.
Para 29.
It could thus clearly be seen that a court has carved out certain exception when a petition under Article 226 of Constitution could be entertained in spite of availability of an alternate remedy. Some of them are as thus. Where the statutory authority has not acted in accordance with the provision of the enactment in question. Number two, it has acted in defiance of the fundamental principle of judicial procedure. And three, it has resorted to invoke the provision which are repealed and when an order has been passed in total violation of principle of natural justice. It has, however, been clarified the High Court will not entertain a petition 226 if an effective alternate remedy is available to the aggrieved person or the statute under which the action complained of has been taken itself contains a mechanism for redressal of the grievances. But your lordship kindly see 29. 29, in spite of ability of an alternate remedy. These are four principles which has been laid down. Paragraph 30 says that normally it should not be interfered. Under 226, where there is a mechanism. But if you see at 29, which your lordship has on the other day, say we can only look into if there is a violation of these four principles. It is totally, it has not been closed.
It doesn't follow.
Mr. Cal, you can provide that Tuesday.
On Monday.
Monday, because court is sitting on division bench also.
Or I'll supply give to copy to court.
Tuesday, then we'll close
Lots.
for
Yes.
judgment.
Yes.
Right? But let it be.
Yes.
Let me also,
after closure, it will be
Right.
difficult.
Lots.
my lord, that's we'll see the judgment 29, para 30, 31. The Honorable Apex Court didn't say that totally it has been closed.
Now, the issue has
Only-
been very beautifully explained in Godrej Sara Limited.
Yes.
Yes.
There is very beautifully explained. Maintainability and entertainability.
Yes.
That issue, distinct concept, it is maintainable. Question is whether it is to be entertained or
Yes.
Yes.
That is the question.
Right.
maintainable. Writ petition is maintainable.
No, it's maintainable.
Whether it is to be entertained or not to be
Yes.
entertained.
Because why?
To
Why-
not
there are-
entertain, these are the say
Say-
or Whirlpool,
Whirlpool, yes.
Harbanslar,
Harbanslar,
Sahania,
yes.
all these.
I think,
these are the four
my
grounds,
lord,
principles of
we only these two judgments, we have been Whirlpool, Harbanslar, these two judgments. Thereafter, number of judgments have
there-
been passed.
But on the same issue.
Yes. It is-
Mogat Sugar also same.
Because your lordship is right. It will be, maintainability is there. But whether it should be entertained or not.
Why this court? Whether
Why?
on
Why? This
grounds. Suppose you have supplied me a copy of my own interim order in that where Arsa.
Yes.
Arsa.
Yes.
Arsa.
Yes.
The senior counsel from Bombay.
Yes.
Are good. You have supplied an interim order.
Yes. Yes.
Copy of the my interim order, where I have said that
You have to approach the CSEC.
no, that statutory prescription
Or lordship, yes.
is not followed.
Yes.
So maybe a case of violation. Interim order.
Yes, no. Yeah, I know.
Yes. I have got Sanjeev Das.
No. I have given that. That I point.
No, it is
That I-
displaced someone.
But I think that also I have cited the judgment.
Yes.
I have cited the judgment.
You just master circle.
I'll
Heart, Mr. There is nothing extra to be.
Nothing. We are completed.
I'll only take that and reserve that. Mr. Didas, senior counsel, by
Yes, sir.
and Kyle and sending counsel PS. Mr. Kyle submitted to provide a copy of the master circular number dated 10/7/2000 7 on Tuesday. List the case accordingly on Tuesday.
Much
Interim order. Continue. We'll just take that copy.
Much of.
Deeply obliged.
Yes.
In this matter, 4 weeks time is required for filing affidavit, my lord. Yesterday
the
also I
case about?
received some instructions.
What is the case about?
But this is
A DP has been initiated against the petitioner.
Oh,
Why show cause?
that case.
Now what has
okay,
happened?
okay, now.
There's small development, your lord.
Huh.
It's my duty to point out. The petitioner rejoined her services yesterday on 18th. And thereafter, after reaching home at 6:30, categorical submission, she was served the DP, departmental proceeding, which has flown from the 19-1 show cause, which is under challenge. Now, since my learned senior friend has sought for 4 weeks' time, there is a 10-day stipulated time for within which I have to prefer my reply. What I kindly state before your lordship may not like to stay the proceeding as of now, but at least your lordship, the time frame be kindly extended by a due proportional time so that the affidavit can be there before your lordship is satisfied and the matter can proceed ahead. That is my submission. If your lordship deems the matter,
Because we have, otherwise, Mr. Sharma,
Yes.
we gave her NCS consideration
yes, absolutely, your lordship. That
on the previous day.
yes, my
As
friend
to
was
whether any interim order is called for. But
yes, and that was
after
yes.
going through the record,
Yes.
we are not very persuaded to.
That is my submission. I'm not praying before your lordship will stay the process. I'll reply. I'll reply subject to what your lordship finally determine. But the 10-day period, which I have been asked to submit my reply pursuant to the show cause, which was served on me yesterday, which is not on record. My learned senior friend might have it.
Mr. Since it is not part of the case.
Yes, it is not a part of the case. It was submitted yesterday.
Mr. Last
In
10
all
would
these
be-
matters, I don't think report should subject to, because
Yes, that is
if she is unable to file within 10 days, what we do in our cases, my lord, if my client is unable to file, I ask them that you submit an application praying for extension. So normally that is
So, but it is expected from Mr. Das to give some kind of
yes,
some
yes,
kind of
I can
protection.
communication.
yes, I can convey.
If something of that sort is there, that state rejection is not is uncalled for.
That doesn't mean she'll wait for
No,
10.
that
That
is
is
also
also
not there.
another aspect.
That is, I am not
So
saying.
I don't want to
You
get
are
into,
counsel, you know how the disciplinary proceeding is there. But
yes,
considering the peculiar facts
peculiar
of the
fact.
case,
That
so you also convey
yes,
that there shall not be rigidness
no, yes, that I can convey. That I can convey.
subject to furnishing of proper.
It should not be unfair.
Yes, that is.
She should get reasonable
Both should
opportunity.
be reasonable.
Yes, yes.
You should also be reasonable,
I
and the
tried-
disciplinary authority should also be
Try to
reasonable.
be
Yes.
reasonable to the extent that your lordship has
No,
but
I have
yes,
seen.
absolutely, your lordship. I'm not
We gave NCS consideration,
Yes.
but
single line rejection. Single line rejection. It is the matter is now
heard Mr.
prejudicial.
M. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. H.K. Das, learned senior counsel PhD for the now 150. Mr. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submitted a notice to show cause. Notice to show cause.
Yes. In fact, the charge
During the
sheet,
pendency of the
statement of allegation.
comma, a memorandum of show cause.
Memorandum of DP, as has been mentioned. Disciplinary proceeding served yesterday.
Memorandum of DP
Yes.
has been served on the petition yesterday,
Yesterday.
giving 10 days time
10 days.
to file a reply. Mr. Das, technical he has submitted that complete instruction. You said on the earlier that preliminary instructions received.
Yesterday I received a bunch, my lord. One instruction I received that day. Yesterday I got this.
He has received the necessary instructions. Necessary instructions
Yes, my lord.
to file the affidavit in opposition. And you require 3 weeks time
Yes.
to file the affidavit in opposition. Okay, the prayer. So made come up by Mr. Das is accepted. You convey
I'll convey, my lord. I'll convey.
something happened.
There should not be anything.
I have just recorded that you have received
they are
a
at
copy
least
giving 10 days time.
Normally, why I'm saying so, normally in charge sheets, my lord, 7 days, 10 days, 12 days are the times given. Had it been 2-3 days, I would have asked your lordship that lordship will extend that time, my lord. That is the normal time. Nothing.
We have just recorded.
No, facts
Yes.
are very peculiar in this matter. The Lordship not like to properly interfere.
No, some jurisdiction is exclusive to the disciplinary authority.
Authority, yes. Unless there is
Unless
perversity,
it is unfair,
the stage has not reached
we
there
should
yet.
not
But again,
preempt something which has not occurred.
but the proceedings have also followed from one-line rejections that your Lordship has seen. Again,
So we
the
have
first-
examined your husband's case as well as your case. Then we have passed different orders.
Yes, yes. I'm grat-
What was failed by this court?
yes, yes, absolutely, your Lordship. I'm grateful for your Lordship.
Is the case after viewing.
If your Lordship may be kind enough to fix a date, your Lordship, that may be convenient in the matter your Lordship thought.
That is a difficulty now. I'm
Difficult
taking a
sitting in
division
3
and
years.
Yeah,
sitting
yeah.
TV 2 years. and
Yes,
all.
yes. I'll maybe
it
probably make
will
a
be fixed by the office.
Yes.
But if something happens,
Yes.
Yes.
it
Yes.
is always open.
Yes. Deeply.
Yes,
Yeah, but
same thing. Minimum tender.
Yes.
4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Yes. Okay.
I also pray for some time for filing affidavit. Respond number 2 and 3.
Mr. Das,
Yes.
it is not only the advertising.
Hmm.
Right.
Yes.
It is also in the High Court rule.
Yes.
Yesterday I was looking for
In fact,
something.
during vacation, my lord, I have prepared 3 affidavits on this issue. I have annexed the rules, my lord, the notification also and the amendment in the High Court rules. my lord.
High Court rules, it is
Lordship will
there.
get
I
it.
was looking for something.
Yes, yes.
And
It's there.
suddenly I found that this is not in the advertisement only, it is also in the rules.
6D.
Maybe.
Yes, rule
High
6.
Court rules.
It's there in the rule.
So despite that,
Lot many cases, my lord. They just suppress this. Maybe because of the employment issue, maybe, but we cannot go beyond the rule. People are
make an amendment. Heard Mr.
P. Jha.
P.
Jha.
Jha, learned counsel for a petition. Mr. H.K. Das and Mr. H.K. Das and sending out the DHP for the phone number
2 and 3.
20. Mr. C. Ugoi, learned counsel, has submitted that he has entered appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5 and needs 4 weeks time. Yes, Mr. Das, you need
4 weeks time, my lord, will be time.
needs 4 weeks time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 4 and 5. Mr. Das, the technical DHP has also
sought similar time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the respondent number 20. So the prayers by Mr. Das and Mr. Gugoi are allowed for filing of counter affidavit are allowed. Raise the case after 4 weeks in 90 days.